so now we are walking to the beach in Cancun. It's a really pretty day out. It's beautiful. The water is beautiful. We're gonna walk on the beach, see if we can find any trash. We actually parked in a little parking lot area, kind of in the woods, it seems like. Remember, this area used to be all like jungle that meets the beach before all this construction and these big buildings went up. But we found a lot of plastic and trash, mostly from local people. It was a local parking lot area for the people that work in all the big hotel resorts, and found lots of Coca-Cola bottles and just plastic and trash. So we picked up some of that, and we're gonna see if there's any other trash on the beach that we can find. Hopefully not. It's so beautiful. So that would just, you know, be a sad sight, but we'll see what we can see. We might do a little swimming and just enjoy this beautiful day and this beautiful water here in Cancun, Mexico.
Hey guys, thanks for watching today's video. If you want to see more from us, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel.
So we are in Cancun, Mexico. As you can see, it is a beautiful day, pretty self-explanatory. The waves are strong. We got to get past the little wake, but it's nice. The water is gorgeous. I love the color of the water here. It's so pretty. And there's lots of activities, lots of beach activities. You can go parasailing or jet skiing or on the catamaran. So really the opportunities are endless here. You can also just have some drinks. You can order drinks from the bars of all the hotels, or you can just go for a swim. Lots to do, lots of options.
Make sure to follow our social media accounts, where we'll be posting more content related to this YouTube channel.
Try. Remember? Huh. It's all like fried food and cake. Really unhealthy stuff. Crepes. Look. At least he's wearing
wearing gloves. That's good. Almost like a little fair. There's kids' rides. It's interesting. It's a nice place.
Yeah, I like it.
It's cute.
Very local.
Yeah. But also have stores as well. Look at the little kid. So little thing. Clothes, shopping. Looks like really traditional Mexican outfits for women.
There stands too.
Yeah, there's stands, but they're closed right now.
You know how to put it in, put it out. Amor, you in the lines for some vegan tacos? Vegan tacos. We're at this little market in Cancun, downtown. This makes me happy, a really long line for the vegan tacos. It's popular. Onion. Are they all the same or you got something different? I got it's 3 different types. I got 3.
So what do you got there? More from the vegan?
Kinds. They all made from soy.
So they're all vegan?
Yeah, all vegan.
Okay, awesome. And they're 3 different flavors or 3 different kinds?
3 different kinds.
Well, yay, I'm excited. For 50 cents each, it's pretty good. Cheaper than meat. This is why you should go vegan. No animals were harmed in the making of these tacos. So this is a typical kind of dessert style crepe. It's basically like a waffle cone or a crepe, and inside they wrap whatever you want. They have Nutella and peanut butter or honey. They have Philadelphia, they have ham, cheese, Hershey's syrup, strawberry, jelly, milk, basically anything and everything you think of. You can even get it spicy with or marshmallows. You get it spicy with Nutella. It's like just never ends. Just regular syrup, like pancake syrup. Lots of options.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. Here, I leave you with one more video to watch. Just click the photo on the left-hand side. Enjoy!